gun down the left side cushion. It's loaded and the safety's off.
But I'm not a lefty.
Then you're gonna die.
All right, I'll see you when you get here.
I'll be there in 5.
Tactical AR-15 master here. You've seen the movie The Mechanic. It's just point shooting. I've always, walk around the house with a gun. You're always like, pow, just whatever. But I thought I'd give it a try. Got the sight mark mount on the contour. Fits on the Glock. Because it locks down, it shouldn't come off like the old one did. It fell off once. Didn't hurt the camera. But I'm going to give this a try. These targets are clean. Let me show you with this camera. Nothing on there. Nothing on that one. Hope these are showing up, and the steel you're going to hear, which is clean too. But what I'm going to do, come up, pop them, one. Or I could try it, one, and just not even try to aim. Let's just give it a try. Ready? Yeah, I missed the steel a little bit. Ooh, missed this guy. Right by his neck. That went through the C on children, that's a good one. And the steel you heard or seen, the first one went to the left of fuzz. Camera seems okay. Let's try it again. Okay. This one, I don't even see the first shot. I must have totally missed. That one's real close to the same spot. And still on there. Let's try it again. Ow. And I missed. This one was way over to the side. This one in the belly and the arm, and I missed the steel a little bit. Alright, let's stop the camera and reload. The camera had worked a little bit off the front of the gun. I ain't pointing it at myself because I don't want to shoot myself and have somebody go, ooh, you're pointing a loaded gun at yourself. You know what? I don't give a shit. My finger is the safety. My finger is on the frame of the gun. That's the fucking safety. So I can point this at myself if I want to, because I know it ain't gonna go off. I can see the bullet down in there. Okay, let's try it again. We'll do one more time with the camera on the gun. Two together, one in the belly, none of them even on target, and a steel. Okay. Now in the movie, he did it left-handed. I'm not a lefty. I didn't want to shoot myself accidentally, so I don't want to Grebner myself. Let's try it again. Going from the hip. Hey, I got them all at least. In the shoulder, and the steel you heard. Try it again. Let's try behind the back like that. I don't get to shoot my 10mm much, and I still ain't shooting 10mm ammo. I'm shooting 40 cal ammo, which I've got a video on that. It works great. So. That was a good one. That was dead center. That was by the S in children's. That was in the arm. And that one I took 2 on. It happens. 3 rounds. Let's try some real fast. Alright, empty again. Ready? got another high left on the high left of his chest. That's dead center of the heart. Let's try headshots. Let's try some headshots. I'm gonna aim from the hip. Pow, pow. We'll extend out a little bit for that one, maybe. All right, ready? Try it again. My thumb must have hit that. Sorry. Try the tank again from the hip. All right. All right, good. 2 from what we just did. 2 right there. 2 in the neck. And you saw the can. I missed the first one a little bit. All right. Let's do a quick accuracy test. It shouldn't matter. It should be the same. The 40 or the 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We'll go another 13, about 15 yards. I'm gonna go from the corner of the truck here so I can rest on it. 15 yards. Looks like they're going a little to the left. Let's see. That one was already there. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That one was there too, I think. But alright. Thanks for watching. See you later.